What's up, guys? This is Matt with Blowout TV. This is Josh C's 2-box break of 2012 Leaf Draft Football. Picked out these 2 boxes. Hopefully there are 2 good ones for you, buddy. Good luck. Alright, we've got, to start things off here, we have a Chandler Harnish rookie autograph. That one is not numbered. Followed by a Gerald Robinson. Gerald Robinson black refractor. Looks like it's the 99. And we've got a Ruben Randall blue refractor autograph. That is numbered 14 of 25. 14 of 25. Not bad. Alright, box 2. Box 2. Alright, start things off. We have Courtney Upshaw, base auto. Not numbered. Then we have a Ryan Lindley. Oh my God. Guys, we've hit a super refractor. We have hit a super refractor. Oh boy. Here we go. Super refractor autograph. USA Kavari Russell. Wow. Super refractor autograph. Unbelievable. Congratulations, Josh. 1 of 1. Nasty. Alright, bro, I appreciate it. And again, congratulations.